Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nafika binti Muhammad Zakaria and I would like to present about CPFR. What is CPFR? CPFR, or known as Collaborative Planning, Forecasting and Replenishment, is a supply chain management method that places a strong emphasis on cooperating between the various supply chain participants such as suppliers, manufacturer, distributor, and retailers to efficiently fulfill consumer demand and reduce excess inventory or outstocks. CPFR entail collaborative planning, forecasting, and inventory replenishment. In order to optimize the entire supply chain, partners collaborate closely and sharing information, setting familiar goals, and planning activities. CPFR entails the development of consensus forecast, greater inventory management, and better demand forecasting, all of which result in lower costs, improved customer service, and more effective production and distribution procedures.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Anis Ainul Nisha binti Muhammad, and now I'm going to explain a finding that we can find in this article related to the collaborative planning, forecasting and replenishment, CPFR. Okay, so what we found is that we can examine that the relationship between CPFR and supply chain innovation capability and supply chain performance in manufacturing companies. So the result shows that the SCIC fully mediates the relationship between CPFR and SCP. Okay, so basically CPFR are significantly have relationship with both supply chain performance and also supply chain innovation capability. So this paper contribute to the limited study of CPFR and SCP by extending the study into the innovation capability and innovation. This means that not only the studies study about the CPFR and also with the performance SCP, but they also has recognized a new innovation capability and innovation into the collaborative performance forecasting and also replenishment. So it is also integrates the social exchange theory and the dynamic capability theory to examine the CPFR process in the supply chain context. So another suggested by the study is the CPFR and SCIC also can improve the implementation of CPFR in any manufacturing companies by developing economies and provide strategies to resolve the previous research result between CPFR and also SCP. So basically, the summary is about the how the innovation and innovation capability help the CPFR and also supply chain performance in their manufacturing companies. So the result shows that the SCIC or supply chain innovation capability are very helpful to the CPFR and also SCP. So that's all for me. Thank you. I pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Intan Shakira binti Ami Muslimah. In this video, I will represent you about my article, which is Collaborative Planning, Forecasting and Replenishment, CPFR, to reduce buoy effect. This article discusses the concept of supply chain management and the importance of integration and coordination in a supply chain. It also highlights the buoy effect, where demand fluctuation increases as we move up the supply chain and the negative impact it can have on inventory management. This article also focuses on a case study in the soy sauce industry, where the production policy based on store request and estimated demand plus 10% lead to inequality and the buoy effects. And in this article, the study aimed to minimize the buoy effect using the collaborative for planning, forecasting, and replenishment (CPFR) framework. And the last one in this article, the result of the study show the buoy effect value for sweet and salty soy sauce. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Razim Hamzah. Today I will be presenting a summary of an article titled Testing the Effect of Collaborative Planning, Forecasting and Replenishment on Supply Chain Performance in Omar Qasim Alisai Marketing, or otherwise known as OCAM. Let's start with a quick overview of the research methodology. The study used a quantitative research design employing a cross-sectional survey approach. The survey collected data from 60 employees at OCAM, providing valuable insights into relationship between CPFR and supply chain performance. Now let's get into the heart of the matter, the key finding of this study. The research revealed a positive relationship between CPFR and supply chain performance at OCAM. In simple terms, this means that implementing CPFR practices directly improve the performance of the supply chain within the organization. So, what can we take from this study? Well, it offers a practical implication for both academics and organization. For academic, it contributes to our understanding of the relationship between supply chain performance and CPFR. For the organization, it emphasizes on the need to embrace CPFR practices to enhance their overall performance. In conclusion, this article shed light on the significance of collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment, otherwise known as CPFR, in optimizing supply chain performance. It showcased how CPFR can be a game changer, especially in organizations like OCAM in Saudi Arabia. Thanks, that's all for me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Shamil bin Kamil. So I'll be presenting on the article titled Collaborative Planning, Forecasting and Replenishment in Orchid Supply Chain, a Conceptual Model. So this study focuses on the development of an extended CPFR model specifically tailored for the orchid supply in Thailand. The articles highlighting the significance of orchids in Thailand, which orchids are not only a high-value crop but also highly profitable. So they play a crucial role in Thailand's economy and reputation as a global leader in orchid export. So given their perishable nature and optimizing the supply chain for orchids is of paramount importance. One of the central challenges addressed in this study is that orchid differs significantly from other manufactured goods. Their perishable nature adds complexity to the supply chain, requiring innovative approaches to adapt CPFR model effectively. The article proposes an extended CPFR model specifically designed for the orchid supply chain. It emphasized the importance of supply chain collaboration and also information sharing. This collaborative approach is expected to positively impact planning, forecasting, and also replenishment processes, ultimately leading to enhanced supply chain visibility and improved performance. So the study incorporates performance measurement using the supply chain operation reference model. This allows for a comprehensive assessment of supply chain performance within the orchid industry, so providing a valuable insights for the companies involved in orchid production and also export. So as a forward-looking conclusion, the article suggests that future research should focus on identifying new factors to further enhance and expand the CPFR model, not only orchids but also other agricultural products. So this research should take into consideration the unique perishable characteristic of product flow in both upstream and downstream of the segments in supply chain. In summary, the articles light on the importance of tailored CPFR model for the orchid supply chain in Thailand. It highlights the challenges posed by the perishable nature of orchids and propose a collaborative approach to address them. So that's all from me. Thank you.